What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Luna here, and as we can see, it's absolutely shredding it over the past few days, isn't it? We can see it's just pretty much up and to the right. Over the past week, it's literally come from around $52 here all the way up to nearly $100, $98 it reached here before, having a bit of a front run. Sell off of that $100 mark that we did say yesterday would be obviously a very key psychological level that people would take profits at. You can see here on a Fibonacci as well, all the way up this, basically all the way up throughout the price action, we've just been up and to the right basically. Obviously had a really good run at the start of the year, and then we kind of, traded sideways for a little while here. You can see we basically got up to an all-time high at that time of around $23. We rolled over back down to that 618, although we hadn't drawn this in yet. But you can see, we basically rolled down to a level of support here at around $12, just basically ranging a little bit between these two levels. And then the big crash happened. We come all the way down to around, what was it, $4? Absolutely crazy. This would be basically a 25x on your money ever since May if you bought this dip. And you can see since then, obviously, these levels just absolutely crushed. We come all the way up, make a new all-time high, and then pretty much just grinding our way to the upside slowly. As those mechanics that we were talking about in the previous videos were likely starting to kick in, obviously UST getting more and more popular. And every time UST is printed, it burns Luna, which is obviously bullish for the price of Luna, constantly lowering the supply that's circulating. And not to mention more and more people, I think it might be a record number of people currently borrowing against their Luna. And obviously when they do that, they bond it and lock it away, take it out of circulating supply. Again, bullish for the price. And you can see with UST getting such a huge market cap currently, I think it's like 10 billion or something crazy now. Really, but becoming more and more used. And with so many incentives to actually use it as well, like just 20% on Anchor for UST yield is absolutely crazy, isn't it, on a stable coin? You can just see basically the accumulative effect of all of these different kinds of bullish mechanisms on the price. Quite clear here that we've basically just been going up and to the right for the entirety of the bull market, really, apart from obviously the big crash that we saw for pretty much every crypto in May. Before all this, all the Luna stuff really started to kick into effect, but pretty much ever since we flipped our EMAs here down at around, what was this? Down at around $7.50. We've basically just been making our way up through our fibs. You can see here resistance support of that previous all-time high there. We come up resistance, come back down to that swing low again at support. Resistance flipped into support here. We're obviously ranging here between our two Fibonacci levels, the 127 and the 141. We break out, but obviously in November we had that bit of a correction in the market that we still haven't really recovered from. We've been just in a downtrend ever since, I think it was November the 10th. But Luna really did not care whatsoever. It came up and made another all-time high here at around $78. We come back down and found support, you guessed it, on that previous swing high. Resistance flipped into support of the previous all-time high, and you can see here we've just come up absolutely, this is quite literally an up and to the right kind of parabolic, starting to go, only up, hockey stick kind of move right here. But you can see pretty much what's happened. We had that crash on December 4th, which was the big Bitcoin crash. But Luna didn't care whatsoever. It came up, made another all-time high, got a little bit overextended, so it came back. It double bottom back tested that support like this. And you can see we come back up to this level here. We broke out, back tested, and then obviously ran up to our next, pretty much up to our next resistance that we outlined yesterday, which was that $100 level, obviously a big psychological target here. And you can see we got front run a little bit at the $98 level where people have been taking profits. Just had a little bit of a rollover, but really nothing significant. And overall, Luna just looking incredibly strong in this market right now. You can see here, if we throw the Fibonacci on this recent move, that we're actually, we broke past our 141 here as well. That 161 coming in at around $105. So overall, Luna just looking pretty damn unstoppable right now, to be honest. looking exceptionally strong. We did say that, we think $100 is going to be a very strong resistance in our opinion. We would expect a bit of a pullback at this level. It's such a strong psychological number in our opinion. And we are starting to get a bit overextended now on multiple time frames. We'd probably expect, a nice decent correction for Luna. Maybe back down into the, this $80 level would be ideal really. Somewhere here, close to that previous swing high, all-time high like this. Maybe we could roll over to around that $76, $77 area, especially if the market looked quite bearish again. And then get a bounce like that. For a short-term price prediction, if we did roll, that would probably be a nice place to get a little roll to. But honestly, if we just keep going to the upside here, we could easily hit this $100 level and maybe even continue a bit more on this parabolic move, coming up into the, the 110s or the 120s here, which would be on that recent fib pull from here to here. We'd probably be looking at $105 and $115 as Fibonacci levels to be targeting. So obviously Luna just looking really, really strong right now. And as we said previously, we think Luna is a really top quality project, isn't it? And to be honest, this 227 extension here at around $200 isn't looking so unlikely now, is it? Considering, we've probably still got a fair ways left in the bull market, considering we're probably having an extended cycle right now. And you can see it's quite clear in our opinion that, Luna is performing exceptionally well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.